Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Quite a few people have asked me just to make a quick video about the cabin air filter. Some are asking where is it situated, and actually what does it look like, and is it important, etc. So in this video we're just going to cover that quickly, just a quick one, and you can see exactly where it is. So in terms of where it's situated actually on the outside, underneath this panel over here next to your battery. As usual, my battery is covered, and for those of you who always ask me, covered because I don't like the water must run from the top directly onto the battery or drip onto it, so I cover it. The water runs off to the side and down into the actual runaway vents, so that's why I do that. The battery cable will be the first thing that you need to remove. In this case, I've got enough play that I can actually just remove this cable from the top. I don't know how it's going to be in your vehicle. Maybe your cables have been altered or changed, but if they standard like this, they can just be moved forward, physically moved forward. I'll show you this, so let's go. So there we go, that's where it's situated. You can have a look in there. You can see it sitting right down here. If you're not sure, here we go, right here. That's your cabin filter. That's where the air gets sucked through into the inside of your cabin. And as you can see, that one looks absolutely brand new, looks clean, looks fantastic, it's ready to go. Obviously it's not ready to go. As you can see, there's quite a bit of leaves and dirt laying down at the bottom, but that's where it's situated, guys. So let's take it out, let's have a look and see what it looks like. So what you'll find is there's two clips. You can see there's one here and one here, and these clips, just pop them up and they will just come loose. You put it back in, clip it in again, take it out, clip it loose, there you go. Pull out the filter, pull out the filter like that, and guys, there you go. As you can see, looks fantastically dirty, absolutely in need of a change. Just now I'll discuss the differences in the type of filters you get. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's compare our old filter to our new filter. This is the gut filter. You can see it's the AC67 cabin air filter. There are cheaper ones in this, but I prefer to buy the best one if I can. And when we take it out, can you see the difference? Old, new. And this filter definitely was in need of a change. Okay, so on the filter you will notice that on this particular filter you will notice that there is a marking from GUD, which shows that the air is coming in from the front. So this arrow means that the air is going to go in that way, or you're going to install the filter facing that way. So this is the front of the filter, so let's put it in. So one thing you also want to do is just to get the inside cleaned out a bit. Depending how dirty yours is going to be, you want to clean it out. Yeah, there's a bit of sand at the bottom, but all in all, I think the filter's done its job that it was supposed to. So yeah, let's clean it out, and then we're going to install our filter. Okay, it's installed. As you saw, it went in fairly easy. Just make sure that this top flap is folded towards you, as well as the bottom one. And it went in fairly easy. It's installed. Clips are tight. And now we can just close up yeah, now we can just close up, and that's it. Okay guys, that concludes the installation of the cabin air filter for the Opel Corsa 1.4 Gamma or C range, the utility vehicle, or the bucket as it's known in our country here in South Africa. Important thing to notice is this is only a dust and pollen filter. It doesn't filter out vapors and gases. Now, originally this actual standard vehicle came out with what's called a charcoal filter. So all of these inner linings are filled with charcoal, and they would actually catch all the vapors and gases, like the harmful exhaust gases. So they actually trap that inside the charcoal. Unfortunately, in our country at the moment, to get one of those filters is pretty expensive. It's a huge cost. So most times the dust filter is just installed. However, if you can find one, it'd be great to install that one. It's actually much better. But for the average man in the street, rather change it every 3 months or so that you know you've got fresh air coming, or clean air, or dust-free air coming into your cabin inside. Okay guys, thank you. See you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe.